Yes, I love technology.
Pretty amazing.
Truly wonderful the mind of a child is.
Hey guys, Mr. Ogden here. Today we're going to continue our career cruising and look deeper into our top career choices. So to start, open up a Google tab and type in Fresno Unified. And this top one, District Home, is the one you want. When you get on this page, click on Students and then click on Career Cruising. Do your same login at fresnou.org. Don't forget your password. Once you sign into your account, you're going to click on Assessments and Quarter 2 Matchmaker, the one that we recently created. Now in your interest rank, we're going to be focusing on your top 3 choices. So I'm going to start with my number 1 choice, the drafter. So you're going to just click on At a Glance to figure out what a drafter is. Drafters prepare detailed drawings used to build things like homes, offices, machines, and electrical systems. So like when I bought my house, when they built the house actually, there was a drafter that just made a plan just like this that this guy has here, and he drew the details of the house. Definitely involves a lot of drawing and use of art. So if this is for you, that's great. But what we're going to do is we're going to learn more about this. So we're going to do an assignment associated with this. So if you go to Google Classroom, just not there right now, but there'll be an assignment there that you need to open. It's a Google Doc. And once you click on that Google Doc, this will come up, and be sure Career Cruising has your name after it as well. So we're going to have our 3 careers. So Career 1, Career 2, Career 3. If you scroll down further, there's going to be a reflection and also a bonus. So with Career 1, At a Glance, if we go to our website, At a Glance. So what I do not want students doing is simply taking this and copying it and then pasting it here. That's not what I want. I want you to read what it says and then put it in your own words. So again, we've already read this, so what I'm going to say is people who make drawings, for houses and other things. So I put it in my own words, and that's exactly what I want you to do. If you need to go back and read it again, that's totally fine. But basically, they're people who prepare drawings. So for the next tab, you're going to go Suitable for You. And here's kind of what the job entails. The central aspects are like the main things that you do, and then second and other aspects are things that you do as well, but just not as often. So central aspects, these are the ones that are really important. So understanding technical drawings and diagrams and drawing accurately, those are very, very important in being a drafter. So what you write for acceptable fitting, for a suitable for you, meaning acceptable for you or works for you. So I like to draw, so I'm going to say I like this job because it requires a lot of writing. I like this job because it requires a lot of drawing. I like drawing, so I think this job will be good for me. Will be good for me. So that's what I like about it. So likes and dislikes. So as I scroll down here, I like drawing, so that'll be good because we do that a lot in this job. And maybe as I scroll down here, we want to try to find something that maybe we wouldn't like as much, just so we know more about the job. And if you like everything about the job, great. But let's see. using mathematics to solve technical or scientific problems. So I'm not great at math right now, so I don't know how the job will be when I have to use lots of math. So I like to draw, but I'm not very good at math right now, so I need to really work on my math skills to get it up. So likes and dislikes about the job from there. Now as we continue on to job description, working conditions, earnings, and education, there's some text we need to read and put it in our own words as well. So job description, working conditions, earnings, we need to read a little bit about it. That should be an interesting one, how much you're going to make in this job. And then education. What kind of education do you need? How long do you have to go to school? Where do you have to go to school? Those kinds of things. So as you fill out that information, you'll do the same thing for your career number 2 and also your career number 3. You're going to do a reflection on all your careers answering these questions right here. And then here's a bonus for some extra credit. So make sure you take your time and answer these questions truthfully and honestly, and that you're filling in the proper information here and you're not just simply copying and pasting. Again, I'll say it again, I do not want you to simply copy and paste text. I want you to read it and put it in your own words and then type it here on this document. That's it for today. Thanks.